I already saw how patients responded to when they see an image up on the screen with an intraoral camera. And I think the 3D with the scanners is even more powerful. So when you want to, you put that scan up there and people are like, oh my gosh, I never noticed that that tooth was so crooked or that my teeth were misaligned. So it's really a great patient educational tool.
So that's the reliability scan, making sure you've reduced enough axially so that you can visualize from an occlusal view.
I didn't learn my own lesson. Please learn from my lesson. Go ahead and take that extra minute to really evaluate your scan.
Maybe that there's a slight improvement.
One of the trainers